S in Ndebele is S. Say it with me. S. I'm sure you remember that from the alphabet. A word in Ndebele with the S sound is sabela. Say it with me. Sabela. Sabela means to answer after you've heard something. You sabela, like to answer a call. Sabeli phone. Okay? So sabela means to answer. When you add H to the S, it makes the sound sh. Say it with me. Sh. That's an easy one. Sounds just like S and H in English, right? Sh. A word in Ndebele with the sh sound is shalaza. Say it with me. Shalaza. Shalaza means to be shy. Nya shalaza. Shalaza. All right. Let's do T, S, and H. So when we add a T to our SH, we get another lovely sound. We get the sound ch. Say it with me. Ch. So when you see T, S, and H in isindebele, you're going to say ch. Okay? A word in Ndebele with the ch sound is chaya. Say it with me. Chaya. Good. Chaya means to hit something or to beat something up. Chaya. Chaya. I'm going to hit you. I'm going to beat you. Now, there's a second sound that T, S, and H makes, and it goes like this. Ch. Remember, the first sound is ch. The second T, S, H sound is ch. Say it with me. Ch. A word in Ndebele with the ch sound is tshela. Say it with me. Tshela. To tshela or ukutshela is to tell someone. Tshela. All right, one more of these combinations. When you add N to T, S, and H, it makes the sound nch. Say it with me. Nch. Good. A word in Ndebele with the nch sound is ntsheza. Say it with me. Ntsheza. Ntsheza means to kind of dart and swim back and forth. You can describe a fish as iyantsheza. It's swimming back and forth in the water. And the last T combination is when you have T and S together. When you have T and S together, it makes the sound ts. Say it with me. Ts. Very good. A word in Ndebele with the ts sound is itsotsi. Say it with me. Itsotsi. Itsotsi is another word for a thief. Itsotsi. Itsotsi. Good. All right. Now, let's add an N to our S. When you add an N to the S, this is the sound you get. Ns. Say it with me. Ns. Ns. I'm sure you heard the N and the S. Ns. A word in Ndebele with the NS sound is nsaba. Say it with me. Nsaba. Nsaba means the rays of sunshine or the rays of light that you might see coming through the window in the morning, or when you're walking in the woods or in the forest, sometimes you see the rays of sunlight coming through the thick forest, coming through the leaves. Insaba. So those rays of sunlight is insaba. You are doing very well. I'm very proud of you. We're almost done with the combination sounds, all right? Now, let's add a W to our S, and you get another sound. When you see S and W, you're going to say swa. Say it with me. Swa. A word in Ndebele with the SW combination is swaba. Say it with me. Swaba. Swaba means to wilt or to die. Swabile. You know, it's kind of limp. So swaba means to wilt, to die, to be limp kind of thing. Usually associated with flowers or when fruits get old and kind of wrinkly. So swaba, to wilt. Now let's do T. Remember from the alphabet that T has two different ways of being said. There's the softened or the muted T sound, which is pronounced like this. Remember that? Say it with me. A word in Ndebele with the T sound is tafula. Say it with me. Tafula. That's a table. When you add H to the T, remember H hardens all our sounds. So let's add T and H together. That's the sound you get. T. So you have T, the soft T sound, and T, the hard T sound. A word in Ndebele with the hard T sound is tata. Say it with me. Tata. Tata means to take something. Tata loko, take this. Okay. Now when you add N to T, it makes another sound. N and T together make this sound. Nt. Say it with me. Nt. One more time. Nt. A word in Ndebele with the Nt sound is ntombi. Say it with me. Ntombi. Ntombi means a little girl or a girl, a young girl. Ntombi. Another NT word is my name. Ntando. Did you get that? Ntando. All right, now let's do X. X in Ndebele, if you remember from our alphabet, is a special click sound, and it goes like this. Say it with me. A word in Ndebele with the sound is xoxa. Say it with me. Xoxa. Xoxa means to talk. Xoxa. Xoxa lawe, I'm talking with you. Xoxa. Now, when you add H to X, it changes the sound. So X and H together make this sound. Say it with me. So if you remember, the X sound is when you add H, X and H makes so and and okay? A word in Ndebele with the sound is xhegu. Xhegu. Okay? Xhegu is an old man. All right. Xhegu. All right. Now let's do Z. Z in isindebele is pronounced like this. Z. Z. A word in Ndebele with the Z sound is umzingeli. Say it with me. Umzingeli. Umzingeli is a hunter. Umzingeli. All right. Now when you add H to the Z sound, this is what you get. J. Did you get that? Say it with me. J. Excellent. A word in Ndebele with the J sound is J. Say it with me. J. J simply is, it's one of those sounds or a word that is used like when you're threatening to kill someone. J. Okay. You have done so well. I'm so proud of you. So you just need to remember and be very conscious and aware that when you're speaking isindebele, there's many different combinations putting the letters together that make different sounds. These are our phonetics. IMISINDO YENKULUMO in isindebele. Good job. It's time for me to say goodbye. I will see you in the next lesson. Ngizalibona phambili. Salani kuhle. Yimi uNtando. Bye-bye.